All right, guys, more beard mail. Got another unboxing, so stay tuned. We'll see what we've got this time. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews, we do some unboxings. We also do a special beard advice series where you guys can send in some pictures to the email address below, a little description about what kind of advice you're looking for, and I take a little time to ponder that, come up with some suggestions for you that I post. You get featured in your own beard advice series video, and we all kind of learn from it and have a good time with that. It's a good platform for me to kind of get some information across to everyone who views it. So we're having a good time with that. But today we are doing an unboxing, and these aren't, I tell you what, this company is my favorite new company for 2019 for sure. I think it may have started in 2018, but this is Pete from Damn Yankee Beard Company. He keeps on working at it. He's improved his labels, improved the packaging, keeps coming out with different scents. It's added beard wash, added a conditioner, co-wash, and now he's added beard butter. So I've ordered some beard butter. He has 4 scents of beard butter now. Okay, one of them is my #1 favorite scent, which is the cedar tobacco vanilla. Okay, that's my absolute favorite #1 scent from any company right now. Okay, and it's been that way ever since I got it, and it's been several months. So I've got it in the old labels right now, but won't be too much longer. I'll need some more. I'm about halfway down on that one. And then I've got the balms, and now I'm gonna have the butters to go with it. And if I remember correctly, these are whipped butters. So I gotta go back and forth, and my brain, the cheapskate in me, thinks that I like the denser butters better because it takes less product to get everything all hydrated, get your hands glistening and getting it in your beard. But I'm still on the fence on that, so I'm trying some whipped butters. I know a lot of people like both kinds. So we've got some packing peanuts. We're gonna get rid of that. And also remember that if it's a warm day, you want to make sure you put everything in the refrigerator. It says stop, refrigerate before opening. Refrigerate 30 minutes before opening. I'm not doing that today. It was a nice cool day. It was cloudy. All right, so I think I'll be okay on this. If not, we'll put it in the refrigerator and come back to it. But it doesn't really scare me. The only thing about it, if it's whipped and it's really melted, it may have settled a little bit, and it may be kind of like a bag of potato chips where the same amount of product is in there, but it might have settled down to the bottom. You can also re-whip it, but you may have to get out your mixer and stuff. So Pete said he might be doing a video of showing you guys how to do that if you were ever interested. Man, it's 4 ounces. Guys, look at these labels, okay? It looks great. Black container. Well, I guess this is more the amber colored there. I think it's plastic. And this one is limoncello. If you don't know what limoncello is, I did not till 2 years ago. Limoncello, because I don't drink alcohol normally, but this is kind of like a fine liqueur, if you will, that's lemon flavored. Had an opportunity to try that 2 years ago for our 20th wedding anniversary. We went to Europe and we went to Italy. So we went to a plantation out in the Tuscan hills of Italy. We had a very nice dinner, and to finish that off, they brought out your little, I don't know if it's a shot glass, some kind of little glass, and it was limoncello. Here, try this. So I did, and it tasted like cough syrup. It was really syrupy. It was like lemon flavored NyQuil, if you will. That's what it tasted like to me, and it burned. But anyway, this did not melt, and I'm sure this is not going to smell like liquor because nothing I've ever smelled for beer products actually smelled like liquor. Yeah, that's nice. It's a nice clean lemony scent, right? But it doesn't smell artificial like lemon cleaner or anything like that. So I knew what it was going to smell like because I got a little tester in the oil a while back, and to me this is a hidden gem. This one doesn't smell like lemongrass either, so I don't like a lot of lemongrass. So this is a nice, light, clean, lemony scent, which I think would go well at night. And look at this, whipped. I'm gonna see if I can stick my hand in this way. Yeah, okay. So that's what it looks like. It's just gonna be it's like a light icing, right? You could just stick yours and spread it all over. I could just spread it all over my beard. That's what I should do. Get out the spatula and just work it in. But anyway, that was limoncello. Let's see what else we've got. Reach down in the box. Oh, I got another one in the first pack. So it's 2 different packs there. I got 4. So you got 4 butters. They're all whipped. They all are, I think they're $16.99. Let me double check. I've got it pulled up. $16.99. Once again, you want to be subscribed to his Instagram feed and all that stuff to see what else you might be able to get. Sometimes you get good deals, that kind of thing. This one is called Pipe Bomb, and this one is tobacco, cherry, and a little bit of chocolate, if I remember correctly, because I have it in the balm and the oil already. Once again, great labeling, great presentation, and yeah, you get more of a sweet, the cherry and the chocolate, all right, which is really nice. To me, for the pipe bomb, when I first got the scent and the oil, I didn't like it quite as much as I thought I was going to. To me, anything with chocolate in it just kind of lingers and kind of dominates the scent after a while. So for me, I could use a little less chocolate and a little more of the tobacco, but I'm definitely going to use it. I use the balm and oil as well. So there is that one. And we got a couple more. By the way, like I said, Pete's always working. He's working in his labs right now. I think maybe another week or 2, he may have something else coming out. So we'll check and see on that. So this one is Night Light. Okay, this is one's really made for bedtime for a lot of folks. And by the way, this one is all essential oil. The other ones are kind of combinations of essential oils and fragrances, but this one is cedar, lavender, and vanilla, which is right up Scott Magruder's alley. So Scott from Beard Times with Scott, look at this. All right, so whipped. Yeah, so that's nice and relaxing. A little bit on the, I get a little bit of the spice, like from the spice rack. I guess that's the lavender in it. Okay, so working with that one. And I saved the best for last. My favorite #1 scent is that cedar tobacco vanilla. Let's see how it smells. So, because to me, the balm is a little bit different than the oil, and I prefer the oil on it. So I'm gonna see where this one falls. Filled it to the top for me, yes. Yeah, I like that. Not quite as strong because it's a butter. A lot of times people wear it tonight, but not quite as strong as the oil, but it smells exactly like it. It comes right out. You can go forward, you can go backwards on it, okay? Melts instantly. Like I said, it's got it comes out like it's a really light cake icing, okay? Not a dried out cake icing, but one right after you've mixed it up. I love it. That cedar and the tobacco is great. And then a little bit of vanilla to sweeten it up. All right, so I'm gonna be using these for a while. I might do another follow-up video a little bit later, or I might do a big beard butter showdown for all my butters, because I got some and I may be getting some more. So thank you for staying with me as I was opening these. Very excited about this and this company. So Pete, you're out there doing great stuff, man. Keep it up. And you guys check out Damn Yankee Beard Company. All right, take care.